Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable two-factor authentication on TikTok. So we are in profile. On top right, you see three line hamburger menu. So click on it. So you can add multiple verification for login in your TikTok account. And then you see setting and privacy option. So click on it. So we are in setting and privacy option. Now you see security and permission. So click on it. So we are in security and permission setting. Now you see two-step verification. Now you see off. So click on it. So currently two-step verification is off. Turning this on will require an additional verification code when you log in from an untrusted device. Now you see select at least two method phone. You will receive a verification code via SMS, email, and then you see more option authenticator, password. So you can do setting according to requirement and you can select option. Now you see password and then you see turn on. So click on it. So you can add your phone number and then you will receive a verification code via SMS. Your phone number may be used to connect you with others and then click on continue. So after that your verification will done. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.